As per our smooth love mixture cost expectation, the cost of SLP is anticipated to drop by $0.000038 throughout the following 7 days, coming to $0.001355 by September 26, 2023 in a significant way. Assuming that you sort of are looking for truly smooth love mixture market figure examination or cost expectation, you most likely need to know where the cost of genuinely smooth love elixir, SLP, may really go from here on out. Our cost forecasts utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt and truly anticipate future cost developments. This cost expectation in every practical sense is pointed toward noting the greater part of essentially your inquiries, which is very critical. Will fundamentally smooth a door mixture, SLP, basically recover its all-time high? What will smooth cherish mixture sort of be worth 1 month from now? Is currently the perfect opportunity to purchase smooth love elixir? Is smooth love mixture as of now giving bullish or negative indications, or so they thought? In this smooth love mixture cost expectation gauge, we will process different SLP specialized pointers to foresee the cost of smooth love elixir in an essentially enormous manner. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value forecasts. Smooth love mixture financial backers have encountered returns of more than 0.44% on their speculation this genuinely past week, because of the bullish period SLP has encountered. In the wake of dissecting the specialized pointers for SLP, we expect a slight revision could occur over the kind of following couple of days. Beneath you can see the genuinely smooth love elixir hourly, day-to-day, beautiful week after week and month-to-month cost forecasts. These expectations mean to, in a real sense, provide you with a sign of what smooth love elixir will in every way that really matters be worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the truly 1 week from now, and 1 month from now in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love elixir, SLP, authentic cost and market examination. The ongoing cost of smooth love mixture is $0.001392, and it sort of is presently truly positioned number 326 out of all digital forms of money, in opposition to prevalent thinking. How much stock as of now available for use for smooth love elixir explicitly is 41,523,546,483, with an extremely all-out market capitalization of $57,801,037. In the sort of beyond 24 hours, the cost of commonly smooth love mixture has expanded by 0.40%. Smooth love mixture has developed at a consistent speed throughout the course of recent days, acquiring 0.44%. This increment has smooth love mixture financial backers amped up for the profit from speculation that they have made for the current week. Inside the very most recent 30 days, the cost of SLP really dropped by 4.76%. Decreasing its past worth of $0.001462 by $0.00007 in an unobtrusive manner. This current downtrend implies that smooth love mixture really is in plunge at the present time, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. The cost of smooth love mixture by and large has dropped by 14.58% over the most recent 3 months, dispensing with $0.000238 from its past worth of $0.00163, or so they in every practical sense thought. Our fundamentally smooth love mixture market estimates essentially are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which break down different specialized pointers. For example, the overall strength record, RSI, moving most certainly normal union uniqueness, MACD, moving especially normal, MAMA, normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's BB in a significant way. The crypto market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable. Foreseeing future price tags of kind of smooth love elixir is a troublesome undertaking, and numerous different elements impact the cost in an unobtrusive manner. Thus, the expectations on our site shouldn't sort of be taken as monetary counsel, and you ought to do extremely your own exploration. Counsel your monetary consultant prior to settling on any speculation choices, which is genuinely critical. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value forecast 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, We are expecting that Smooth Love Elixir will sort of accomplish a kind of greatest cost of $0.002506 as the market truly begins to recuperate, which essentially is very critical. The base expected cost is $0.001671, and the typical cost will fundamentally drift around $0.002088. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, Value Expectation 2024. As especially Smooth Love Mixture proceeds to generally arrive at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, Beautiful Smooth Love Elixir can fundamentally accomplish a very greatest cost of $0.003898, while the typical cost for the year will remain around $0.00348 in a kind of significant manner. On the off chance that a bear market shows up, the base value SLP can really reach in 2024 is $0.003063. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP. Value Forecast 2025. Of every 2025, we for the most part anticipate that truly Smooth Love Elixir should really see great development as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas. Subsequently, the cost could explicitly reach as high as $0.000529, averaging around $0.004872. Smooth Love Elixir could see a base cost of $0.004455. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, Value Expectation 2026. With the preceded with development of capital in the crypto market, Smooth Love Mixture could truly arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $0.006682 in 2026, with a typical cost of $0.006265. Incredibly, if an auction happens, the base cost expected in our expectation sits at $0.005847. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, Value Expectation 2027. Considering the reception of SLP by nations all over the planet, Extremely Smooth Love Mixture can guarantee a greatest cost of $0.008074 by 2027, with an exceptionally normal cost of $0.007657 anticipated. Besides, the base cost for that very year could see $0.007239, which is very critical. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Forecast 2028. In the year 2028, kind of Smooth Love Elixir reception will keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to generally acknowledge that crypto basically is digging in for the long haul, which for the most part is very huge. Financial backers could for the most part see SLP arriving at an in every practical sense greatest cost of $0.00